A24, maybe from a friend or someone selling online. You turn it on, and now it's asking for a password or Google account. But you don't have that, right? Don't worry, this video is made for you. I'll show you step by step how to unlock it. No password, no email, no stress. Now watch what happens when I try to skip the Wi-Fi setup. It just sends me right back. That's called FRP, Factory Reset Protection. It's there to keep stolen phones safe. In my case, I set my Wi-Fi to hidden mode, so I type in my Wi-Fi name and password to connect. But if you see your Wi-Fi name below, just tap it and connect normally. After it connects, it loads for a bit and then asks for the old screen lock. I'll just type some random numbers to show you what happens. Yup, still locked. I try the Google account option too, but again, if you don't know the email that was used before, you're stuck. Alright, let's go back to the start screen. We're gonna do something different, but before we do, see that little lock icon at the top? That means this phone was reset without turning off the protection. It's like a security alarm for your phone. I'm going to turn off the phone now because the next part happens on the computer, and that's where the real magic happens. Now let's move to the PC. I opened up my favorite browser and pasted the link for the tool we'll use. For you watching, I've dropped the download link right below this video in the description. The tool starts downloading, just give it a moment. Once it's done, we'll prep your computer so the tool works without problems. Before we open the tool, we need to turn off something called real-time protection. You can find it under Windows Security. Why? Because this tool isn't harmful, but Windows thinks it's a virus since it modifies how your phone talks to the PC. Turning this off just helps the tool run smoothly. We'll turn it back on later. Now I extract the file. It's protected with a password to keep it secure. Just type FRP Pro, all one word, no spaces. When I try to open the tool, Windows gives me a warning, says it might be dangerous. But don't worry, it's totally safe. Just click more info, then run anyway to open it. Give it a second, the tool loads pretty fast. Now let's go back to the phone. To enter download mode, hold volume up and volume down together, then plug it into the PC using a USB cable. When this screen appears, press volume up one more time to enter download mode. You're doing great so far. Now on the computer, I click Samsung A24 FRP Odin. This tells the tool to start working its magic. It'll take a bit, just let the tool do its thing. When it's done, your phone will reboot. Once you see the Samsung logo, unplug the USB. We're almost there. I set up the phone again like at the beginning, but this time, I turned off Wi-Fi and tapped skip. And now look, it lets me skip the Google account step. That means FRP is gone and the phone is finally unlocked. Just follow the rest of the steps and boom, you're back at the home screen. No Google account, no PIN, no problem. If this helped you, consider subscribing and comment if you have any questions.